Hello, Darin Martineau from Master Magic University. And in this video, I'm going to perform for you my version of the sleeve aces created by Leech, popularized by Earl Nelson. This is what I call the ultimate sleeve aces. So I'm going to perform this for you at this time. We're going to, you can borrow the pack of cards if you'd like. Give the cards a shuffle. We're going to mix up the cards really good. And put your trust in the Lord, but always cut the cards. And have the spectator cut the cards. And what I'm going to do here is show that they could have cut anywhere. They cut right to the 8 of diamonds. Okay, 8 of diamonds here and the 9 of diamonds here. If I take the 8 of diamonds, we just blow on it, rub it on my sleeve like this gently. It actually magically changes into the leader ace, the big bullet, the ace of spades. Now we have the 9 of diamonds and the ace of spades. We take the 9 of diamonds, we rub it on this sleeve, we blow on it, and it changes to the ace of puppy dog feet, just like that. Isn't that cute? The ace of puppy dog feet. Now we have the ace of spades right here and the ace of clubs on the bottom of this packet. If I take the ace of spades, we blow on it, a little bit of magic, and we get the ace of diamonds. Diamonds, a girl's best friend. Now we have the ace of clubs right here, and this is the ace of diamonds. If we rub this ace of clubs gently on the sleeve, we can actually change it right into the ace of hearts. Now I have the spectator hold out their hand at this point. I have the ace of diamonds, which I put underneath their hand. Okay, and right here we have the ace of love. Ooh, the ace of love. Now we're going to take the ace of love, we place it right underneath their hand like so. We're going to give the cards a little shuffle. I say shuffle because I can't say shuffle, and all the dumb jokes included. Just kidding. Now if I was to take out some cards, such as these two cards right here, these two cards are actually a spade and a club. We can pretend that's the ace of spades, see? That's the ace of spades, and that's the ace of clubs. Not really, but we can pretend. So if I put that in the pack, and we put this one, which happens to be the spade, that's a spade, and we're going to give the cards a little shuffle. We give the cards some cuts. Now you can tell me when to stop shuffling at any time. Just say stop anytime you'd like. Right there? Okay. Now, all I have to do is make a magical. I'm going to riffle the pack slowly, have you say stop. And that is not a force. It's completely fair right there. Now we have the queen of hearts and the two of hearts. All right, let's pretend these are the black aces. We rub them like so and watch what happens. We rub, we blow, and those become the aces, just like that. And over here underneath their hand is the black aces. So that is a masterpiece, which is known as the sleeve aces. That's what I call the ultimate sleeve aces. I have many versions. I have a whole product called sleeve aces, which has several different versions. So if you like, please smash the like button. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to get free magic tutorials, click on the link and put in your name and email, and I'll send you my Master Magic course now, along with several free magic video tutorials teaching you magic. Whether you're beginner, intermediate, or advanced, we have something for everybody. And if you'd like to join our programs, we have Master Magic Mentors, which is one of our programs. It's $5.99. That's it, a month. And you get access to everything I create and hundreds of videos, and I'm adding stuff there every month and almost every week. So thank you very much, and keep it surreal.